Hi, this is Aditya from Just Tutors, and in this video we are going to learn about light. So today we'll be covering four subtopics. First we'll see the introduction to light, then we'll see how light travels along a straight line. We'll also learn about the phenomena of reflection of light, and at the end we'll see what is lateral inversion. So let's start with the introduction. Take a look at the picture. Have you ever seen the sun rays coming through your window which lighten your dark room? It's with the help of those rays we can see the things kept in the room, or in other words we can say that light makes things visible. You can see the sun rays entering into the room through the window, and because of that you're able to see the floor of the room. Similarly, take a look at this picture here. You can see each and every object in this room because of light. Now, light can be defined as a bundle of rays which make things visible to human eye. A bulb is a light source. Now, see the picture right here. Light is the natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. When light ray falls on any object, they get reflected, which then enters to our eyes and help us to see the objects. Light bulb here is a light source. In this slide we can see the different light sources. It could be coming from the headlight of a train, a torch, or maybe at night you could see the lightning towers as well. Now let's talk about the behavior of light. Now we all know that light travels along a straight line. This property of light is known as rectilinear propagation. Now let's do an experiment. Let's take two different pipes, a straight rod and a bent one, and we'll try to look at the candle at the end of the pipe one by one. Now in this picture you can see that the observer is using the straight rod. When we see the candle through the straight pipe, we can easily see the light rays coming outside from the other end, and hence we can see the candle. However, when we try and see the candle with the bent pipe, we observe that we cannot see any light ray coming out from the other end. This is due to the curve that was an obstruct for light ray to move forward. So we can say that light always travels in a straight line, and that is the reason we are not able to see the candle at the end here. Let's move ahead and learn about the phenomena of reflection. Now, have you ever observed what happens when a light ray falls on a mirror or any shiny surface? Light always travels in a straight line. When it falls on a shiny surface, it changes its path or direction. This phenomena is termed as the reflection of light. This has been shown in the picture at the bottom. Look at the picture right here. Let's take the example of a torch and cover its glasses with a black paper divided into three slits. Now when you turn the torch on, you'll observe that the light ray will also form three straight lines as shown in the picture while passing through the black paper on the glass. Also, when it falls on the mirror, it will change its direction of movement with some definite angle. This angle is known as the reflected angle. You can see that here in this other diagram as well. This is the light which falls onto the shiny surface, and this is the light which is reflected. Now this angle right here is called the angle of reflection. In the picture right here, when we place a candle in front of the mirror, we get the same picture of the candle behind the mirror. Now the picture behind the mirror is called the image and the real candle is called the object. We can also change the position of the candle and obtain a new image. Each image is the same size as that of the object, and notice that the flame is always on the top. Such images are called erect images. So we can conclude that the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect and of the same size as that of the object. The image formed behind the mirror is at the same distance as the object from the mirror in the front. Also, when we stand in front of the mirror, we get the same image as of us. However, there will be some difference if we make some changes in the object. Like if we are standing in front of the mirror and we raise our right hand, it will look like we are raising our left hand in the mirror. That is, the sides are interchanged, the right becomes the left and the left becomes right. This phenomena is called lateral inversion. One such example would be, you can see the word ambulance written on the hospital van. Now this is written in such a way so that the driver in the other vehicle moving ahead sees it properly and in the right way. Now pause the video and try to attempt the questions based on whatever we have learned so far. We've already discussed all these questions, so you can move back and recap it once again. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit justtutors.com for more.